Good morning friends. Today I am going to explain you quadrilateral chapter exercise 8.3 ninth problem. So हमें दिया गया है we have ABCD is a square. E, F, G, H are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD, DA respectively, such that AE is equal to BF is equal to CG is equal to DH. So we have to prove that EFGH is a square. So first you have to draw one square figure. ABCD is a square in which each angle is 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. E is the midpoint of side AB. F is the midpoint of side BC. G is the midpoint of side CD. H is the midpoint of side AD. So we have to prove first in triangle AEH. In triangle AEH and triangle BEF. So we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So how we will prove means, here one thing is angle AE is equal to first he has given that angle HAE is equal to angle FBE since angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now from the figure, from the given part, he has given that AE is equal to BF. AE is equal to BF. AE is equal to BF. This is the given part. Since given, this is given, he has given. Okay, so now here this side AH is equal to in this triangle, what is that? B. AH is equal to B. Why AH is equal to BE here? Why means since in a square all sides are equal. So since AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. Since AD is equal to AB. So by RHS congruent. So this side is equal, this side is equal, and the included angle is A. So this side is equal, this side is equal, and the included angle is B. So by SAS congruency rule, what is that? Triangle. By SAS congruency rule, triangle AEH is congruent to triangle BEF. So yes. Now why? So we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Triangle AEH and triangle BEF is congruent. So what you can say about side HE is equal to side EF? Yeah. So HE is equal to, therefore HE is equal to EF, since by CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Now similarly we can prove HE is equal to EF. 1 minute. HE is equal to EF we have proved by CPCT. Similarly you can prove like this only. EF is equal to FG. EF is equal to FG. FG is equal to HG. FG is equal to HG. And HG is equal to HE. HG is equal to HE. Therefore, in quadrilateral, if all these sides are equal, so in a quadrilateral, if all these sides are equal, what is that? HE is equal to EF is equal to FG is equal to HG. Then then EFGH, then EFGH is called as a rhombus. Then EFGH is called as a rhombus. Okay, now we have to prove. What is that we have to prove? Our aim is to prove EFGH is a square. So we have to prove EFGH is a square. So in triangle, so what is that condition you take? In triangle AEH, in triangle AEH, in triangle AEH, we have proved that EFGH is a rhombus. Now we have to prove EFGH is a square. So in triangle AEH, angle E, angle HEA, angle HEA is equal to 45 degrees. Angle HEA is equal to 45 degrees. And angle FBE is equal to 45 degrees. Angle FB, angle FEB, angle FEB is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so now we have to prove angle HEF, angle HEF is equal to how much? Angle HEF is equal to how much? Why? Because this is 90 degrees. Means these two angles will be, it looks like a right angle triangle. So these two angles will be, what is that? These two angles 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, so these two sides are equal, means angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So these two angles will be 45 degrees since proved above. So angle HEF, so how much? So it is forming a linear pair here. So this is 45 degrees, this is 45 degrees. We need to find out angle HEF. Since it is forming a linear pair, since it is forming a linear pair, that is, what is that a linear pair? How? See, observe. In rough column I am doing. See here. So angle HEA, angle HEA plus angle HEF plus angle FEB is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, since it is forming a linear pair, here I am writing linear pair, it is forming a linear pair. So angle HEA is what? 45 degrees plus angle HEF, we need to find out what is that angle HEF plus angle FEB is what? 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle HEF plus 45 plus 45, 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle HEF is equal to 180 minus 90 is what? 90 degrees. So angle HEF is 90 degrees. So this angle we have proved as 90 degrees. So what does that mean? What does that mean? So EFGH is a rhombus heat tool. Any one angle we proved as 90 degrees. So it is a square. Okay, as we know that a square is a rhombus, means a rhombus in which any one angle is 90 degrees, then it is called as a square. Therefore EFGH is a square. Therefore EFGH is a angle HEF is 90 degrees. Therefore we can say that EFGH is a square. So thank you friends. This is the 9th problem of a quadrilateral chapter. So hope you have understood. If you like my video, please subscribe me.